Alright guys, so right in this video I'm going to show you how to create consistent images for your African folktale projects, for your book project or storybook you are working on. Right in this video you'll be shown how to create consistent images just like the one you are looking at right here. So this particular website I'm going to show you is where I'm going to using, but you might have known about this website before, but you don't know that it can do all these features that I'm going to show you right here. So the name of the website is Leonardo.ai. Yeah, that is it. Leonardo.ai. And one thing I want you guys to know is that this is a website or AI tool that you can actually start on for free. You can set an account today and get free coin of up to 150 coins. So you can use those coins to start generating consistent images right here, right now. So just create an account and you're good to go. You can see that all these pictures right here are in landscape mode, right? Every one of them are in landscape mode. This is one thing that most free tools don't give to you. Most free tools like Meta.ai, you have to pay for the premium version because you can actually generate landscape images just like the one I'm showing you right here. But this particular free tool called Leonardo.ai can give you access to generate landscape. So you don't have to generate images and start worrying about how to change the aspect ratio of the images again. How do we actually do this? Enough of the talk. So we just come here and you can see there is I have a prompt already, and that is what I'm going to be working with. And you know how we always do this. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So just join our Telegram community where I also have other resources there also. And you're going to have access to this prompt in that Telegram community. All right. So with what we have right here now, this is our prompt. But before I use this prompt to generate anything afresh, though I've used it before to generate some images, but before I use it again, let me quickly show you some settings that I've set up in the background that is actually giving me these consistent images, and more so that is making it to give me these images in a landscape format, right? So I'm just going to click on this setting icon right here, and if I tap on that, I'm going to have access to some things right here. This is the remaining in the, this is what is remain in my coin. I'm also using the free version. And as you can see, I can't change this for. This for is going to remain that way. And if I scroll all the way down, you can see what we have here, 16 by 9 is aspect ratio. If you want to check for more aspect ratio, just click on this drop down. And then if I scroll down, ensure that this guidance scale is not more than 7. This guidance scale should not be more than 7. All right. So then this show advanced settings, we are still going to need it, but let's just move on for now. Okay, so let's just generate our first image after we have set up the settings. So using this particular prompt also, so let me just change one or two things from here. All right, or let me just explain the prompt to you. So the prompt says generate a realistic full picture of Yetunde, age 20 years old, female with traditional hair weaving style, wears a Yoruba African attire, standing in front of a village hut. All right, so one thing I want you guys to know is that this place where we have wearing Yoruba African attire, that is where our prompt actually end. That is where our base prompt actually end. The base prompt is talking about what our model should look like, right? But this particular standing in front is talking about the action which our model is doing, what is doing at that time, and what we want it to be doing in the picture. So that is that. So this action right here, I can always come back and change this action, right? I can always come back and change this action, but every other thing will remain the way they are because they are the base prompt. So let's just go with a standing in front of a village hut, and let's put some other thing. And crying, okay, crying with tears in her eye. Okay, crying with tears in her eyes. All right, so let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, I set this at Leonardo Diffusion XL. So Diffusion XL, you can actually have access to this in the free version also. So I'm going to say that way. Sorry. And I'm going to tap on generate right now. So she's not crying, but what we have here, I think this is also good. It's an expression of sadness. This is also good if you ask me. So, but one thing I want you guys to know is that just note the face. The facial look is what we are concerned about right here. Note the face, note the consistency in the face. Okay, because it's changed direction here. So that is what I want you guys to note. So we are going to do something right now, and I'm going to just click on these three dots here. Now, I hope you can see these three dots. These three dots. So I'll click on these three dots. If I tap on that, I'm going to see copy seed. Copy seed. So I'm going to tap to copy the seed. Then after the seed has been copied, I'm going to go back to my settings icon. And from there, I'm going to scroll all the way down and I'm going to select show advanced settings. Then I'm going to, your own might be off, just on it, on the use fixed seed. So under the use fixed seed, I'm going to paste the seed I've copied inside that use fixed seed. So what this is going to do is that I'm just go back now. Let me show you the magic. Generate a realistic full picture of Yetunde, age 20 years old, female with traditional hair weaving style, wears Yoruba African attire, standing in front of a village hut, carrying a crying baby. So let's see that. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's just look at the face because that's what we are concerned about right here. The consistency in the face. And if you ask me, this is really amazing. And this is giving us the landscape that we actually want. All right, this is a very close match, though we can't have 100% accurate match. You know, this is artificial intelligence, but this is good if you ask me. This actually makes this is actually cool, and I just hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has been helpful to you, why not give it a thumbs up, like the video so that it can be shown to more people and everyone can grow all together. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that, and I will see you in my next amazing content. Stay blessed.